Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get ChatGPT on Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can open up your document on Microsoft Word, and then if you want to add ChatGPT, you can go to add-ins right here, and then you can add ChatGPT for Microsoft Word. And as you can see guys, here I have added the ChatGPT add-in to my Microsoft Word. So here I just need to click on the ChatGPT to use it, and make sure you have good internet connection to use this ChatGPT on your Microsoft Word. And for example guys, I'm going to use this ChatGPT to improve my writing. I'm going to select the tags. We can select the tags, and then we can select the prompt here, or you can describe what you want to do. But here I'm just going to use the suggestion. I'm going to select improve writing, and then we can click on go. Okay, and hold on. The ChatGPT will work for our text. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my paragraph has been changed, and I'm going to show you the before and after. This is before I apply ChatGPT, and this is after I apply the improved writing. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get ChatGPT on Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.